What is up guys, Sonduren here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to super rinse your car. Now you guys know, if you've been following along on this channel, I've been a detailer for 10 years, and one of the most annoying things is once you clean your car, and here my car behind me is my 2008 Audi R8, fully cleaned, is how do you go ahead and rinse it now? There's so much water still on the vehicle. Well, I'm going to show you this really amazing tip that not only you can make rinsing your car a lot easier and drying it a lot easier, but it's also going to add additional protection to your paint. So, you guys know I've already ceramic coated this vehicle. If you don't know how to do that, I will link that in the card above and link them in the description box down below. But this car is fully paint corrected and ceramic coated. Now, I want to go ahead and make it easier to not only rinse the vehicle, but also dry it and protect it. So what I'm going to be doing is using this Griot's product, and honestly, I really love this. This is the ceramic 3-in-1 wax. I did a review video applying this on one of my vehicles as well. Absolutely love it, but it also adds as a rinse drying aid. So not only is it going to make rinsing your car a lot easier, it's also going to go ahead and protect the paint and add additional layer of protection on top of your existing ceramic. Honestly, this is really cool. Like, I can't get sick of this. It's just literally just one spray. If you want, go ahead and put two, and just make sure you go do this before it dries. So you just want to spray it on, let it rest for maybe 10-15 seconds. You just don't want it to dry. Then go ahead and rinse. And just look at that. It does honestly such a good job. And so compared to the amount of water we had before in my other rinse and this, it really does help a lot more with the sheeting. You can really see the sheeting's really helped out. Look at that. Wow. Now that is pretty cool. So a simple spritz. One spritz is good, and you're adding that extra layer of protection on the ceramic, and you're drying a lot easier. So now I can go ahead and dry this car. It's not gonna really soak up the microfiber waffle weave towel I have as much, and it just makes drying a whole lot easier. So really, it's pretty simple. You can see in the video here what I'm doing. This is what it looks like after I wash the car, and obviously there's tons of these little micro beads everywhere, and that just makes it harder to dry because it completely soaks your microfiber towel. But you can go ahead, simply spray this on, just a few spritz all over the paint. You want to work one section at a time, and then go ahead and rinse it. Then once you rinse it, lots of the water is going to be actually coming off and sheeting off of the car instead of having the beads on the paint, which is going to make drying the vehicle a whole lot easier. So this is great because now you can go ahead and save time and continue to add added protection and refresh your ceramic coating. You guys know the ceramic coatings, they all have a kind of topper product. So you can go ahead and pretend that this is a topper that's also going to help you dry the vehicle faster and make rinsing and drying a whole lot easier. But this is what I've been doing now on my Audi R8 and on my Lexus NX350H, and it's just making the entire process a lot easier. And I'm being able to go ahead and add that additional layer of protection, on top of the existing ceramic coating, just to go ahead and give it a little bit refresh and increase the hydrophobic properties to make it easier to wash again in the future. So I hope you guys enjoy this tip. This has been a really helpful one for me. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment box down below. Like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll also link this product in the description box down below for you as well. I will also list my playlist for all the detailing videos that I got. So if you want to know, how do you polish a car? How do you go ahead and ceramic a vehicle? What ceramic should I use? I will cover that in all of the videos in my playlist that I'll also link at the end screen of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.